Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's video topic is a access modifier and today date is a 9 February 2022. Access modifier, there are two type of a modifier in a Java. Access modifier and a non-access modifier. There are four access modifier. First public, second private, third protected and fourth default no keyword. The access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility or a scope of a field, method, constructor or a class. What are access modifier in programming? Access modifiers or access specifiers are keyword in an object-oriented language that set the accessibility of classes, method and other members. Access modifiers are a specific part of a programming language. Syntax used to facilitate the encapsulation of components. We can change the access label of a field, constructor, method and a class by applying the access modifier on it. There are four types of Java access modifiers. First, private. The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. Default. Second, default. The access level access level of a default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Third, protected. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Dot public. The access level of a public modifier is anywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within in a package and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transistor, etc. Here we are going to learn the access modifiers only. First, private. The private access modifier is accessible only within the class. Simple example of a private data member and a private method. Private access modifier. In this example, we have created two class A and simple. A class contains private data member and a private method. We are accessing this private member and outside the class. So there is a compile time error. Role of a private constructor. If you make any class constructor private, you cannot create the instance of the class from outside the class. Note: a class cannot be private or protected except a nested class too. Default if you don't use any access if you don't use any modifier, it is treated as a default. By default, the default modifier is accessible only within package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. It provides more accessibility than private, but it is more restrictive than protected and public. In this example, we have created two packages, package and my pack. We are accessing the A class from outside its package. Since A class is not public, so it cannot be accessed from outside the package, but through inheritance only. The protected access modifier can be applied on the data member. method and constructor. It can be applied on the classes. Thank you.